Hi there, Dave Christy, Commerce Solution Architect at Altudo with over 10 years of experience in optimizing digital commerce channels for businesses. In this video, I'm going to answer the number one question we have been receiving in Altudo lately: what is composable commerce? Lots of people still are talking about headless, we know that, but we really should be talking about composable. Now, composable commerce allows e-commerce teams to select and assemble best-of-breed commerce solutions to satisfy their unique business needs. So instead of using a one-size-fits-all e-commerce platform to serve their business needs, composable commerce leverages modern technologies and approaches and includes things like MACH and Jamstack to adapt to the ever-changing market dynamics of today and tomorrow, making sure you're prepared for whatever comes your way. To better understand the concept, let's discuss the evolution from headless to MACH, now to composable, and how headless and MACH are key components to composability. In simplest terms, I like to think headless commerce is part of MACH, and MACH is now part of composable commerce. Headless commerce is the decoupling of the customer-facing front end from the commerce functions and business logic in the back-end system. Now, MACH is just a marketing acronym. It goes a lot further than that, but for this purpose, we're just going to talk about four commerce technologies. It stands for microservices, APIs, cloud native, and headless. Now, composable commerce is an approach that enables businesses and their tech teams to bring their brand's unique digital vision to life by launching and continuously optimizing those digital commerce experiences, allowing you to leverage multiple best-of-breed vendors composed together into a complete business-ready solution. Composable commerce leverages modern technology, including MACH, and layers on support to compose and optimize your unique commerce solution so it fit for you. What composable is not, we should talk about that. Not an all-in-one platform. It's not restricted by specific technology or platforms. It shouldn't be limited by the number of services you can compose, and it's not a complex custom setup needed to test the platform before buying it. Now, no single vendor can offer all the applications needed to deliver digital commerce experiences that meet the demands of today's customers. So with that, with customer demands, they're continuously evolving. The need for digital transformation is becoming more important and necessary. Now, composable commerce is now giving businesses greater control over how their e-commerce application is delivered along their whole digital commerce platform. The decoupled approach makes it easy to manage e-commerce experiences across your different digital channels while setting yourself up for the success with a future-proof application. Composable commerce is then all about using the best-in-class technology out there from various vendors rather than relying on one single vendor to provide a standard functionality that is supposed to work for everyone, which means you're investing in companies who invest in their core expertise only and not everything. So you're going to get people checkout, product catalog, tax, search, or digital marketing solution. A typical composable stack, for instance, would include a range of best-in-class services covering various capabilities. Might look like something like this, like Avalara for tax, BrightPearl for fulfillment, Clevo for content and search, BigCommerce for the commerce engine, Stripe for payment gateway, just to name a few from the thousands out there. So I hope this answered your key questions on composable commerce. If you have more questions and would like a one-on-one session with one of our composable commerce experts at Altudo, be sure to contact us today on our website. You can also go there to schedule your complimentary workshop with one of our digital commerce experts like myself for a personalized roadmap to take your company on the composable journey.